Jerome is selfish and misguided. And if he were a true man of God, his people wouldn't have left him in the first place. You, Deputy, will still confess your sins, because this is the will of the Father.
Can't fix a broken car with duct tape. You ain't gonna make it here for long.
Okay. Good thinking. Resources are running low, but that ain't stopping us. You can do a lot with duct tape, you know.
It's good to know. People are starting to realize that you're looking out for them.
It's none of my business.
I can't believe you met two seeds in one day. My cousin said the cult's taking an interest in the old Wellington mine. I thought that place had dried up. I wonder what they found. Whatever it is you're doing, it's working.
Nobody asked these assholes to come here. May as well be fair game.
True.
You know when you miss a step on the stairs? I feel that. But like, constantly.